Awaken your heart center meditation by the Awaken state. Close your eyes and begin to sit comfortably with your feet firmly on the ground or in a comfortable position with your palms facing upward. Begin to breathe deeply in and hold it for 4 and then release. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. Breathe in and release. Breathe in and release. We call on our higher selves to guide us. We call on all our guides of the highest, most loving and divine light to guide us through this journey. May they guide us and support us. Now imagine yourself connecting to the light. We will connect to the light by taking our energy up above our head where we can see, sense, and feel the light. Allow this light to start pouring over you and pouring over your head, going into your shoulders, moving into your arms, and your hands, and your chest, and your stomach, all the way down to your feet. May yourself be filled with liquid light. As this liquid light pours through you, connect this light below you, where we go into the center of the earth and bring this cord of light all the way down into the center of the earth, where it usually feels like mama's love. It feels beautiful and yummy and warm. As we connect to this light, imagine there is a ball of green emerald energy coming out of your heart. This ball of green energy is coming outward, and it's shining outward like a sun. It's radiating and expanding. Feel it growing and growing as it encapsulates the room around you. Feel it like this bubble of energy flowing over you. And this green light is pouring into the room around you. And as it pours into the room around you, may it expand outward into the neighborhood around you. May it expand outward into the city around you. May it expand outward even further into the country around you. May it expand outward into the planet around you. May it expand outward into the galaxy around you. This is our natural state, our expansion of the light. As we feel this light pouring over us, I would like you to take a minute and consider opening your heart to this expansion. I choose to open myself to this expansion. I love myself and fully accept myself. I forgive myself and fully let go. I love myself and I fully accept myself. I am open to receive. I am open to receive. I am open to receive. I allow myself to receive. I am willing to receive. I am willing to receive guidance, support, love, hope, bliss, peace, thriving energy, abundant energy, supportive energy. May my body be filled with this loving, supporting energy of blessing light. May I be filling my body with this beautiful light of energy and support and guidance and love and infinite abundance. May I fill my body up with this beautiful light where I am elevated, I am empowered, I am strengthened, I am resilient, I am powerful, I am the infinite, I am aligned in my truth, I am awakened in my power, I am fully open to receive the light and love that is naturally me. I am infinite, I am expansive, I am truthful, I am powerful, I am kind, I am passionate, I am bringing love into everything I do, everything I say, everything I am, everything that I do daily. May it be filled with love and light energy. I ask this light to guide me. I ask that I only see the light. I ask that I see from the loving lens of the universe. I ask that I see from my expansion. I ask that I see from the support that is guided to me. I ask that I am supported and guided and strengthened by this loving energy of light coming from my heart center. May I be filled with this blessing light. May I bless myself and love myself fully. I am the light. I am the light. I am love. I am love. Namaste.